advisor sa imong anak kung unsa siya naggrado.
Videohan na lang nato kay diyan.
Kani si Ma'am Rhea Lucero, grade 1 teacher. Grade 2, Ma'am Michelle Rizul. Grade 4, Ma'am Renabi Habulan. These are kani si Ma'am Renabi, si Ma'am Rhea May, mga bago na itong karon na teacher na ginatag sa Ginoo sa ato nga year. Next, we have Ma'am Cherry Ibabacol, our grade 4 advisor. Ma'am Teacher Elsie Abibas, grade 5 advisor. Sir Lino, Mr. Herbert Lino, grade 6 teacher. Let's proceed to our junior high. Ma'am Feby Nunot, grade 7 advisor. Sir Raymond Ramis, grade 8 teacher. Advisor. Of course, our energetic MC today, Sir Charles Sison, grade 9 advisor. And then we have Ma'am Annie Balua, grade 10 advisor, our new teacher. And then, another one, bago gihapon, si Ma'am Per Alexa Galuno. Okay, a grade 10 advisor. 11. Okay. And of course, our beloved Ma'am Marcel Omon, grade 12 advisor. Okay, these are the advisors of our children. Tandairan ninyo kung sa nag-grade ang inyong anak. Kung may problema, you can go to them, you can approach them, and you can talk to them freely. And then we have here another one is Ma'am Joy Monhi, our discipline guidance counselor. Okay, si Ma'am Joey Carillo. Murag dikit ka mo ganan ani sa iya kay kapanigil ba? Okay, Ma'am Joey, our cashier. Sir Abigail Katipon, our ICT teacher. Our Ma'am Isalil Bonsayan, our assistant librarian. Ma'am Rosie Gilbaldo, our registrar. Sir Alejandro Wagat, acting as our principal. Also, Mr. Festo Baldo, our school maintenance. And we have Tatay Teddy at the gate. Our guard, school guard. Kana si Tatay Teddy kay inyong mga anak baya, grabe magmanya kay Tatay Teddy. Oy, magpabilin kun hapon, kunwari kuno istorya pagmura di ay kay Tay. Kulang akong pliti to. Okay. Dinigin na baka, tininuod kidna. Usay ka na ingon pa. Recess time, kunwari, dula-dula dito. Uy, ngano na ka pa? Wala ko yung sister. Ako'y tatay yun. So, mga trabaho ni Tatay Teddy. Guardia at the same time mamanyahan sa mga bata. Okay, we have Celerina Villarmia, our ground maintenance. Okay, sa kantina to, we have Ma'am Gina Dumay. Okay, maunang nga gamitin sa atong kantin karon. And then, yours truly, Mama Agat, mama sa mga bata, mga apo na ako inyong mga anak. Okay? Si Raya na adinha, si Kevin na adinha, estudyante ko pang apo na din ako ilang mga anak. Okay. And they learn to love me. Always hugging. Always hugging. Okay. And then we have not the last and the least, and we have our overall head, Angelo, o